Right here, we have the Oak Iron portable tire inflator up to 150 psi. It's perfect for inflating your car tire, and this one is fast too. Boom! You see right there, it's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Set your pressure, start it, and it pumps, and it will stop when it gets your pressure. Boom! And it's the winner of the Red Dot Award. That's good stuff. Boom! Back on the road, we can take care of you. Never get stuck with Oak Iron. Inside right here, you got your charging cable and all the accessories. Oh, right here, this one is their accessories inside right here. You see right here, you got the carrying pouch. Wow, these are nice quality cables. Well, I like that they give you 2 of them because you know this one right here, some people like this style. I personally like this style because when you twist in, you don't lose the air. When you twist out, you don't lose the air. This one, when you put in your valve stem, you have to remember to clip this, and when you take out, you have to unclip it and pull out. I don't know why people use this one, but it has both in case you like the old style. I like this style right here, but you got both, and these are high quality hoses too. That is going to be awesome to use. And over here, you got some charging cables and different tips for inflating your sporting equipment, your pool inflatables, and other stuff too. Very nice. And this is the star of the show right here. Wow, it's a good size. Now, I've used other portable tire inflators, and they're usually very small. Those are usually very slow. This one is fast. Open this up right here. Boom, there it is. We have the Oak Iron right here. So there is some tips to increase the product life. We suggest letting the product cool off for 10 minutes between every 10 minutes of use. Good to know right there. Oh yeah. Turn that on. Wow, look at that display. Isn't that gorgeous? You have your battery indicator right here. This is your current pressure, and right now it shows 0 because we don't have it hooked up to a tire or anything with pressure. And this is your set pressure. That's the pressure you're gonna push to get to. There's a light right here. So you see if I push this light button, you see you have a nice bright light. There's actually 3 modes of the light. You can turn it on, push it again, it's flashing slowly, push it again, and then it's flashing quickly. This is very important to have if you're on the side of the road and you don't have power in your car and you need people to see you to prevent from hitting you. Very nice, right? And then you have your cycle button. This will cycle through some preset pressure for a car, for a bike, for other bikes, for sporting equipment, or you can set your own pressure by using the minus or plus right here. Very easy. So let's go ahead and demonstrate the auto shut off right now. We got these 2 air hoses. Let me open up this. Wow, very nice packaging and really high quality hoses. I prefer the hose that have this right here because it's easy to just twist onto your valve stem and it works nicely. They also made it easy because remember that light is in the same direction where you attach this, and that is important. Ooh, nice. You see how you can tighten it with this right here? You don't have to worry about flopping the cable all around because the cable is disconnected in terms of rotation from this, so you can tighten this down. Wow, this is a very nice high quality tire inflator. I like it so much. So right here, you see, remember the light is in the same direction. I'm gonna turn on the light so I can see as I install the valve stem right here. Push it right there. Oh, it's fast pressure. You can feel it. I'm gonna put it to like 3 psi so you can see the auto shut off. Okay, 3.5 psi. So we'll start inflating. When it gets to 3.5 psi, it'll stop. Ready? Here we go, and it stops. That's how the auto shut off works. This is really nice. I like it. This is the Iron Oak tire inflator, and it comes with both these and a carrying case. It's very nice, heavy duty with the light, and you have also the USB-C charging. The USB-C charging is right underneath the light right there. So very simple, nice, good size Iron and Oak tire inflator right here. This is a very fast one. It's pretty good. The Iron Oak tire inflator, this one is premium. Oh yeah.